Rohan knew the answer. He had practiced it 20 times. Then the interviewer said, "Tell me about yourself." His mind went blank. Every English word suddenly disappeared. He needed one rescue sentence. "Let me think for a moment." But Rohan did not know that sentence yet. He stared at the interviewer, fighting to remember his prepared introduction. Inside his head, he translated, corrected grammar, and searched for perfect words. Too many thoughts arrived. No complete sentence came out. "Myself, engineering, 5 years," he said, then stopped. The interview ended politely, but Rohan already knew. Outside, he whispered, "Why can I write English but not speak it?" At home, his grammar books covered the table. Every written answer was clear, accurate, and almost perfect. Yet speaking felt like opening a locked door under pressure. His friend Neha called and immediately noticed his silence. Rohan admitted, "I knew the answer, but my mind became empty." Neha asked, "What were you doing before you spoke?" "Translating, choosing vocabulary, and checking every grammar rule," he replied. Neha smiled gently. "Your mind wasn't empty. It was overloaded." Fluency isn't perfect English. It's continuing when words arrive slowly. She taught him the first rescue expression, "Let me think for a moment." It created thinking time without making him appear unprepared. Then Neha taught him, "Pause, simplify, continue, pause, breathe, and use a rescue expression. Simplify. Express one small idea using familiar words. Continue. Add the next idea without correcting the first." Neha became the interviewer. "Tell me about yourself." Rohan felt the familiar pressure return. This time, he breathed. "Let me think for a moment." He simplified. "I'm an engineer who enjoys solving customer problems." He continued. "In my last job, I supported a busy technical team." His next idea came naturally because he stopped chasing perfection. During another practice, Rohan lost his sentence halfway. Neha gave him the second expression. "What I'm trying to say is," Rohan restarted simply, and the meaning became clear. Then he forgot the English word for a security device. Neha taught him a third way to keep speaking. "I don't know the exact word, but it's something that," Rohan continued, "protects a company's network from dangerous traffic." "A firewall," Neha said. They both laughed. One missing word no longer had the power to end his conversation. For 7 days, Rohan recorded one 30-second answer daily. He never restarted. He focused on finishing, not sounding perfect. At his next interview, an unexpected question frightened him again. "Tell me about a difficult problem you solved." Rohan paused, simplified his first idea, and continued calmly. When one word disappeared, he described it instead. The interviewer understood. 2 days later, Rohan received a job offer. "Now your turn. Answer, 'Tell me about yourself,' for 30 seconds. Pause if necessary, use simple words, and do not restart." Which rescue expression will you use? Comment below and subscribe to English Fix Daily.